Business Pro Theme Review. Business Pro theme is designed to be simple yet flexible. It leverages the built-in core functionality of WordPress like custom logos, custom header videos and images, the new image and video widgets, featured images, and more. It is a smart choice for creative agencies, service providers of all shapes and sizes, and even brick-and-mortar businesses that want a contemporary look and feel online. Here is the Business Pro theme demo. Just wait a moment. 7 things you need to know about Business Pro theme. You can use options to get up and running in minutes, and start customizing your new site, with just a few clicks of the mouse. This is a flexible e-commerce theme that is pre-styled for WooCommerce, so you can easily set up your online store. The theme customizer allows you to tweak the theme's settings, colors, and content and see a preview of those changes in real time. You can build up your site with a number of widget areas that you can customize to fit your brand. You can upload your own logo with the press of a button. It will provide full support for text-based logos for those just getting started. This theme is mobile responsive, meaning your website will be perfectly optimized for every browser, device, and screen size. The Business Pro theme includes the following functionality: accessibility ready, custom header, eCommerce, HTML5 markup, landing page, mobile responsive theme, customizer theme options, translation ready, layout options. Get your site up and running with the Business Pro theme and the Genesis framework today. Check out the live demo link below this video.